Is a movie about a fallen patriotic, selfless national hero automatically a good movie? Let's find out. Aa jao. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel. You're watching a movie review, and right now we are talking about the Hindi version of Sashi Kiran Tikka's Major.
बॉर्डर पार करके पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर क्यों गए संदीप?
ये हमारी तरफ है और वो उनकी।
हमारा ही तो है सर।
The events of the 26/11 terror attacks have been told in various ways. Hindi cinemas, other languages, international. If not direct recreations ki us din kya hua tha, like the Dev Patel starrer Hotel Mumbai, other films like Hansal Mehta's Shahid have talked about the investigations. Amazon Prime Video ki behatareen series Mumbai Diaries 26/11 starring Konkona Sen, Shreya Dharmantari, Mohit Raina, and so many more. It took an even more interesting route by imagining what would have happened if the terrorists had gained full access to all of Kama Hospital that day. Because the terrorist attacks happened in the age of 24/7 news and the internet, we've fortunately or unfortunately seen a lot of the footage from those terrible few days. Everything has been relayed to us and preserved for posterity. Hence, to tell the story one more time, what one needs is an angle of the story still left unexplored, recreated using novel visuals to make that happen. Major attempts to explore the life of Ashok Chakra awardee Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan, martyred on one of those terrible days. During Operation Black Tornado, the brave Major Unnikrishnan was a training officer with the NSG और उन्हें वीरगति प्राप्त हुई fighting as team commander for 51 Special Action Group deployed at the Taj Hotel. It's a bravery in the face of adversity that can only come from someone whose life, convictions and dedication to their cause must be explored, talked about and learned from. The line in the trailer, "Do not come up, I will handle them," they are said to be Major Unnikrishnan's actual last words. Can you imagine?
Major Sandeep coming. Major Sandeep, are you there?
Don't come up. I'll handle them.
Instead, what the movie Major does is provide a showcase of how great lead actor Advi Sesh is at playing Major Sandeep. Advi Sesh is also the writer of this film, which might be the undoing of the whole endeavor. The director and the writer, they spend an inordinate amount of time developing Major Sandeep Unnikrishnan's backstory, which is a slog to sit through because it never goes beyond he was a good son whose parents doted on him, he was an intelligent student, always wanted to join the defense forces, loved his wife, all of which was explored better with better music to recently in Vishnuvardhan Shershah. So refusing to go beyond the basic when talking about the man behind the uniform is a mild disservice to the legend of Major Unnikrishnan, who I'm certain was more than the very many cliches the movie presents.
मेरी बेटी की कहानी सिर्फ उस अटैक के बारे में नहीं है, उसकी अपनी एक जिंदगी है.
The Hindi dialogue by Akshata Jay Sharma is a huge culprit too. To hear an actor of Prakash Raj's caliber say, "सिर्फ 26/11 उसकी जिंदगी नहीं थी, उसकी अपनी अलग एक जिंदगी थी," makes me wonder if this was a literal translation from the original Telugu dialogue or if any extra effort was made. Despite Prakash Raj, Revati, the writing stubbornly refuses to rise above the mundane and obvious. Sai Manjrekar as the high school girlfriend turned wife is limited to looking confused and unhappy for the most part. Even in a song dedicated to her character, "Oh Isha," the actor's either dotingly or sadly looking at Advi. Advi Sesh is a gifted performer. This is the first opportunity I've had to watch him in anything and colored me impressed. He's good looking, does action really well. One hand-to-hand combat sequence shot in a narrow alley in the Taj Hotel is way cool. They've removed the background score to highlight further the action choreography in this scene. Primal fighting, badhiya. Convincingly also, he's aging from teens to the 31-year-old army major. The actor has wisely written himself as the lead in his film. You can't help but fall for his smile and, general charming ways. As a writer, though, I am not convinced. Recently on the Big Picture podcast, Top Gun Maverick director Joseph Kosinski said, while working with Sony to figure out how they were going to fix about 6 cameras in the F-18 cockpits for some of the scenes in the film Maverick, their main concern was that it's 2022 and all these fancy camera shots, flying plane stunt sequences, they're all on YouTube. So if you don't beat those, there's no point in making the film. Major, the movie, doesn't beat anything that isn't already out there filmmaking wise. Random conflicts added into the love story which have no contribution towards anything, a girlfriend about to leave the country, a man inexplicably stopping Sandeep's letters to the girlfriend. Sobhita Dhulipala is cast in a guest appearance as, well, a guest at the Taj, pun unintended. She looks incredible with her flowy gorgeous hair, but clutching a small child running from room to room seems to be her only brief.
पेट्रियोटिक बनना सबका काम है और उन पेट्रियट्स की रक्षा करना सोल्जर का काम है.
The proceedings get interesting when we get to Manesar, Kashmir, and you learn more about how Sandeep became Major Unnikrishnan. But these sequences arrive just too late. If the film had trusted itself enough to turn off the loud background music, commit to the escape room plot, really drive home the odds against which Major Unnikrishnan won that day, cast better actors to play the terrorist, and built a stronger world around the protagonist so that when the disaster movie genre kicks in, you really feel things going up in flames. One might have come out of it feeling more satisfied. As the end credits roll and real life photos of Major Unnikrishnan appear on your screen, you can't help but be moved. If you would like to, you can watch the movie in theaters. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Major is 2 languages में shot simultaneously, Telugu and Hindi. I wonder what that's like. It's fascinating, na? Shooting everything twice over. Do the emotions translate with the language? Do the actors get confused? Is everyone multilingual? Will someone invite me on a set so I can watch? I'm inviting you to subscribe. Today we're also talking about Kamal Haasan, Vijay Sethupathi and Fahad Fazil in Vikram. उसके बाद पृथ्वीराज. Busy week. Subscribe.